Ekitongore ekirikujunanizibwa byo kuhandika no kuteeza Karuru chete Electoral Commission Omuri Ntungamo kyayakire boxes Ebyokutereraho Karuru omu karima akachezete ballot boxes ahabwa Akaruru ke 2015 by'okwezi okubanza omwaka ogu.
Today around 10 a.m. we received the polling materials for our elections next week or this week.
Ebi byayakirwa Ekitongore ekiteeza Karuru mu district ya Ntungamo omu kasheshe ka Sunday 2011 by'okwezi okubanza omwaka ogu, kandi byayakirirwa ha kitebe kya polisi yo mu rurembo rwa Ntungamo aho byayihwa bikabikwa mu mwanya ogubarirwamu Akaruru kukumigwamu okwisa izoba rya Karuru,
including the ballot boxes. So I'm here to receive them at police, but before I could do that, I had to call the stakeholders. I had to alert them. I cannot touch or receive them without you people witnessing, because this activity is yours.
Okurugira hari omwami Charles Wafula orikobembere Ekitongore kya Electoral Commission omu district ya Ntungamo yagamba ngu bayakire boxes ziri kwingana 812 ahabwa emyanya yone eteregwamu Akaruru okwetorora district yona.
I got a consignment of 2 lorries from Kampala, and this consignment had the 812 ballot boxes. Ballot boxes are the black boxes that you're able to see. There were 812 and one for each polling station. We have 812 polling stations. So I can say that I've received materials for every polling station that will enable us to do our voting.
Charles yahamya ko mwanya gwe boxes zabikwamu gurime byo kwerinda bihamire kandi ngwe bikozese binde biri munke bafu za sora nebindi nabyo biri kwiko mwanya ogu nibwo gumwe kubikwa okwisa izoba rya Karuru.
Along the way, I'm told there's a consignment of materials still coming, carrying cordoning tapes, right? Carrying basins and carrying solar lamps. When they arrive, I'll also be able to summon the team, summon the people, and you witness the offloading of those materials. They will be stored here. This is the district council hall for Ntungamo district, and it's where we shall have our tally from Thursday. So I'm handing over these materials, well secured, to the DPC of Ntungamo, who is going to secure the place, secure the area, so that our materials are safe.
Omuchara Miriam Mugisha Kagiga ori RDC wa district ya Ntungamo yahamiza abantu bona ko boxes ziri kuza kukumwa kurungi kwisobo ziraze kukozesibwa mu Karuru ngo habwo kube byo kwerinda byonjigwe mamani, kandi yashaba abantu bona kucera karabiri 15 byo kwezoku bakatera Karuru kabo mu businje.
Abanyantungamo security yona okumubona no bureba buru nakugira ngo district kumpereza icumu kwaza kumana bigura kwa office yanjye niza kumanisha nindeba bigura akabox akakugenda gatera bakagwara kasirinzire then nabahasa account abo kwasa account naho haruwa bakuma baro to deploy injireho muri sub account tugireho abakuru na nawe bakuza kutera Akaruru hatoriye box kwe kwijja nawe nateka kureba box y'ibampereza esirinzi eco mucamuruzi box mwaze bazeto muhango kandi se cyuke yitwe tuireho neza gukomeza mu Omuri Ntungamo twine presidential candidate the flag bearer Omuri nuwe his excellency y'Akaruru mwe nimbasha every 15 omukasheshe mukerekare ahabuko za process machine so nimbasha kukerekare mwishe mutera Karuru kandi baraza katera ogende hariya utegereze ibiraruke.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Gilbert Ankunda habwa Modern Television Omuri Ntungamo.